Hello, I'm Lucy from the IET. I'm going to show you today how to make a Lego photo frame pen pot holder as a really great festive gift for this Christmas season. Now, I love homemade gifts, and this is a really great practical gift idea that will help you think about your designing and engineering skills. If you've got Lego lying around the house, this is a perfect gift for you to have a go at. You'll need to get hold of some kit. You'll need a Lego base plate, a little bit like this one, or any other shape or size you have. Some clear Lego pieces like this one here, or what you can find in the Lego doors. You'll need some flat Lego pieces like this, and as many normal Lego bricks as you can find. Decide the size of pen pot you would like to build and start to create the box around the photo frame to the size you want on your base plate. Then place the photo against a transparent piece of Lego that you're using as the frame. You'll need to put a couple of thin pieces of Lego across the frame in order to hold the photo in place. Your own design and engineering skills will be key in this project, as it will depend on the size of the pot you wish to make, the size of the photo frame Lego piece you have, and the other Lego bricks you have available. Don't be afraid to keep changing your design until you're happy with it, or until it's exactly the same size and shape that you want, and make sure that it's a strong, stable, practical pencil pot. I'm sure that whoever you make your Lego photo frame pen pot for will absolutely love it. And remember, you can keep changing the photo inside as many times as you like. I hope you have a fantastic festive period and enjoy your building. Bye!